Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My opinion about President Prabowo Subianto. Hello everyone, my name is Habsa Atmojo Al Aziz from Informative Engineering. I'm from Sumatera Selatan, Palembang. Today, I want to share my opinion about President Prabowo Subianto. For me, the President Prabowo Subianto is a strong and disciplined leader. He has a long experience in the military and politics, which make him understand how to protect and lead our country well. I believe he really loved Indonesia and always wanted to make this nation stronger and more respect in the world. I support President Prabowo Subianto because I trust him to bring Indonesia to better and more advanced future. He is also a person who dares to make decisions and always speaks with confidence. I think that's the kind of leader we need today, someone who works hard and focus on real action, not just promise. As a young generation, I hope I can follow his spirits of discipline, spirit and dedication to Indonesia. I believe with his leadership, Indonesia can become more united, more modern, and more successful. That's all for me. Thank you everyone. Thank you listening. Have a great day everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Simple present tense. Hello everyone. My name is Habsat Mujal Aziz. Today I'm going to talk about of the most common and important tense in English, the simple present tense. Introduction. We need to know English every day for studying, getting, chatting, and working. But sometimes grammar can be confusing. That's why learning tense is important. The simple present tense is fundamental to speak English correctly. Next, what what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is as to describe facts, habits, routines, or general truths. It talk about something that's happiness regularly or is always true. When do we when do we use it? We use the simple present tense to talk about daily activities, habits or routines, facts or truths, schedules or timetables. Talking about habits, this tense helps us describe our daily activities. For example, waking up, going to class, eating breakfast, or studying. So when you talk about your routine, you are already using simple present tense. Subject focus. Remember, the from the of the verb depends on the subject. For example, the verb tense selectly with the subject is he, she, or it. Verb tense. If the subject is her, she, or it, we actually add s or s to the verb. Example, he he play football. She watch TV. Positive sentence. Positive sentence tell us the something happens or is true. Structure, subject, plus verb 1, C or is plus subject. Negative sentence. To make a negative sentence, we use do not or does not before the verb. Structure, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1. Next, why it's important. The simple present tense is a basic but important part of English. If you understand it well, learning other tense will become easier. So, mastering it is a strong first step to improve your English. The structure. To make sentences in simple present tense, use the base verb. Put for he, she, and it. Add s or s at the end of the verb. The formula. Here is the simple structure. Positive subject plus verb. Add s or s for he, she, it. Negative subject plus does, plus not, plus verb. Question, does, the subject, plus verb. With this, we can make any kit of sentence easily. A few type examples. Let's look at some example of positive sentences. Number 1. I study English every day. Say, likes coffee. They play football on Sunday. These sentences describe habits or routines. Negative example. To say sometimes does happen we use do not or does not. For example, I don't watch TV at night. She does play basketball. Basketball. They don't eat fast food. Remember, does not is or I. Question examples. We can also make questions with this tense. We move do or does to the front of the sentence. For example, do you like coffee? Does he play guitar? Do they go to school every morning? Okay, next. Time expressions review. To make your sentence more complete, you can add them expression like every day, every morning, on or on Sunday. Example, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. This word make your sentence more natural and clear. Common mistakes. Many students forget to add s or s for he, she, and it. For example, he go to school every day. He goes to school every day. 2. She don't like milk. She does like milk. Next, practice time. Now let's practice a little. 3. To fill in the blanks. She blah 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 English every morning. She study English every morning. They blah 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 football after school. They play football after school. He blah 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 go to the gym. He go to the gym. Think about the subject and the correct form of the verb. Summarize. Okay, let's summarize everything. The simple present tense is us to talk about habits, facts, and routines. We add s or s for he, she, it, we use do and does for negative and question. It is simple but super useful in daily conversation. So that's all about the simple present tense. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope it helped you understand how and way to use this tense correctly. Have a great day everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.